We're going to explain the AttributeError str object has no attribute get error in Python. This error pops up when you try to use the write single quote .get method on a string object, but strings don't have a write single quote .get method. The write single quote .get method is designed for dictionary-like objects, dictionaries specifically. Let's break down why this happens and how to fix it. 1. Understanding the write single quote .get method. The write single quote .get method is primarily used with dictionaries. It's a safe way to access values associated with keys. If the key you're looking for exists, it returns the corresponding value. If the key doesn't exist, it returns a default value, usually none if you don't specify one. For example, my underscore dict equals sign a 1 b 2 value equals sign my dict get a 0. This would assign value to 1. If we tried my dict get c 0, value would be 0 because c is not a key in my underscore dict. 2. Why the error occurs? The error, AttributeError str object has no attribute get, appears because you're attempting to use write single quote .get on a string, a sequence of characters, not a dictionary. Strings are designed for text manipulation, not key-value pair lookups. You might encounter this error if you accidentally treat a string variable as a dictionary, or if you're dealing with data that's incorrectly formatted or loaded. 3. Common scenarios and fixes. Imagine you have code like this. My underscore string equals sign hello, value equals sign my string get all. This will throw the error because my underscore string is a string, not a dictionary. To fix this, you need to determine what you actually want to do. Do you want to check if a character is in the string? Use the in operator. If L in my underscore string, print L is present. Do you intend to access characters by index? Use array-like indexing. Character equals sign my underscore string, 2. Remember, indexing starts at 0. If you're working with data from a file or API that's supposed to be a dictionary but is read as a string, you'll need to convert it to a dictionary using the write single quote JSON.loads function if it's JSON data, or by properly parsing it according to its format. 4. Debugging tips. If you encounter this error, carefully review the type of the object you're calling write single quote .get on. Use the type, function, print, type, my variable, to check if it's a string. Examine the code leading up to the error. How was the variable created or loaded? This helps identify the source of the problem and guide the appropriate fix. Always use appropriate data structures. If you need key-value pairs, use a dictionary. If you need a sequence of characters, use a string. In short, the AttributeError str object has no attribute get, signals a mismatch between the data type you're using and the method you're trying to apply. Double-check your data types and use the correct methods for string or dictionary manipulation to resolve the issue.